Hello guys, welcome back, and my name is Mustafa Sahadat, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you one other best websites to pay you dollar or Ruble mining Ruble instantly in your Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay and not Faucet Pay in your a pair account. Okay, if you have pair account, that's too great. If you don't have, just type pair.com and you can make an account. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. This much member this website has, and this is the rules, and this much this website pay. Okay, and this much days ago this website is already running. Okay, this is 100% real website, and just link in description. Click the link and come here, you can register yourself. Okay, just click register, put your username, email, password, and click create account. And now I'm going to log in myself because I have an account already. Okay, I click login. Now I'm logging in my account. After login, I'm going to show you how you can earn. Okay, this is all. This much surfing ads I click, and this much is my purchase balance, and this much is my balance. Okay, after 100 I can get my withdrawal. Okay, and this is all referral link, and you can refer your friends, and they pay you 10% or 5%. Okay, and you can go to the ads, view ads. In this feed you just click view advertisement. You just watch this all ads. They pay you this much coins from you can get from this website. Okay, just first I watch all the advertisement. After I reaching for withdrawal. Okay, just I show you the withdrawal, then I come here, watch the all advertisement. In here you can withdraw with this much. This is the USD pair. Okay, this is the Ruble pair. Ruble pair is this much. Okay, just put your coins. Like I have if I have 100 coin, I can withdraw my funds. Okay, and I receive 1 Ruble. If I this much coins I had, this much Ruble I can find. Okay, you can directly pay your Faucet Pay too. Just like how much coin I have, this much coin, this much Satoshi pay me. Okay, this website is very wonderful to pay you in your Faucet Pay too. Okay, and you can, a lot of people love to earn Bitcoin. This is the best website you can earn Bitcoin too. Okay, this is my 2 withdrawal. One is USD, the next one is the Ruble. Okay, now I'm going to watch all advertisement. Then after that I come here and I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, guys, now you can and now you can watch I earned this much coin, and now I click withdraw. First of all, I didn't withdraw right now. I show you 2 other things. The first one is daily bonus. You can get daily bonus from this website. The bonus is like this. Just click one advertisement, then come back, and the daily bonus came here. Okay, pop up, and you can just click get bonus, and the website pay you bonus. This is all other people bonus. Okay, I earned 6 coin, and you can go to plans. You can make some from your plans, and right now just I log in back because sometimes of later working you can make it like this mistake this website. Okay, just refresh the page, and this is the plan. After plan, this is all plan, unlimited payment, and the plan, you buy some plan, and you can get some coins from this plan. Okay, and this one is very wonderful. This is all lifetime plans, and you can earn from lifetime plans. Okay, just click and you can get much more. Just click withdraw. You can withdraw your funds to per account. Okay, you like dollar or like Ruble. Right now I want to withdraw with Ruble. Just I type my coin in here. This is my coin. I have this much coin. Just I click withdraw, and I will receive my withdrawing instantly in my Faucet pay, in my pair account. If you want, you can withdraw your funds to your Faucet pay too. Okay, just you can go in your wallet back and just refresh, and after refresh you got your okay. I login again. Okay, this is the password, the capture, sorry, the capture. I type the capture, click login. Okay, waiting, and I stop the video for a few seconds. Okay guys, now you can see I earned this much Ruble. Okay, and this website is 100% paying website, and you can go to history to I show you this story. Okay, this much Ruble I got in this time. Okay, per account. Okay, this is instantly pay me. Okay, and this website is 100% real website, pay you real money. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This is paying from year 2, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, goodbye for now.